In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product in your payments dashboard for invoices and checkout pages. To get started, head over to the payments section in your platform and then open products. This is the area where all of your sellable items and services are organized, so setting things up properly here will make it much easier to build invoices, payment links, and funnels later on. Once you're inside the products area, click the Create Product button. At this point, you'll be asked to choose the type of product you want to add. You can select service if you're offering something like catering, setup, consulting, or any non-physical offer, or choose good if you're selling a physical item. The option you choose helps keep your catalog organized, so just pick the one that best matches what you're selling. Next, enter the product name. Make sure the name is clear and easy for both you and your customers to understand. For example, you might use a name like Premium Buffet Set A. After that, add a short description. This is a good place to explain what's included, highlight important details, or clarify exactly what the customer is paying for. A strong description can reduce confusion and make your product look more polished and professional. After the name and description are in place, set your price. Be sure to enter the correct amount and then choose whether this product is a one-time charge or a recurring charge. One-time pricing works well for single purchases or one-off services, while recurring pricing is useful if you have ongoing monthly clients, such as regular corporate catering accounts. Choosing the right pricing structure here is important because it affects how the product will behave when used in payments and billing. Next, upload a product image. This step is optional in some systems, but it's highly recommended because it helps your product look more professional when it appears on invoices or checkout pages. A clean, relevant image can make your offer feel more complete and can also improve the customer experience by making the product instantly recognizable. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Your product is now created and ready to use. From this point on, you can quickly pull it into any invoice or funnel without having to rebuild the details each time. That saves time, keeps your pricing consistent, and helps your sales